The Scudo Chrome Basic Round Bottle Trap is the ultimate solution for your drain system. Made from long-lasting stainless steel and finished with a touch of elegance in high-quality chrome, this bottle trap adds a sleek aesthetic to your bathroom and ensures optimal functionality. Installing is a breeze with its threaded nut connection, providing a secure and leak-free connection every time. Say goodbye to unwanted materials clogging up your drain system, as this trap effectively prevents them from entering, giving you peace of mind and hassle-free maintenance. The Scudo Chrome Basic Round Bottle Trap goes above and beyond by maintaining a water seal to prevent odours from sneaking back into your space. Say hello to a worry-free drain system that complements your modern lifestyle. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Bottle Traps range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.